Welcome back. Panchayats in Pedne block are lucky when it comes to sanction of grants and developmental funds. Other panchayats in the block, especially from rural areas like Canacona and Sanguem, seem not so lucky. While Pedne block in past few years have got the annual grants and funds in multi-crores, panchayats in other blocks haven't even touched a single crore. Prudent special report.
If your panchayat falls in constituency of panchayat minister, then you are lucky. This is what the past government's record of panchayat funding indicates. Have a look. Year 2009-2010, Pedne block panchayat 2.67 crore. Other blocks 20 to 50 lakh. 2010-2011, 3.21 crore. Other blocks 10 to 30 lakh. 2011-2012, 4.54 crores. Other blocks 10 to 70 lakh. 2012-2013, 1.68 crore. Other blocks 20 to 40 lakh. The grants for panchayats in Pedne is on an average 5 to 6 times more than other panchayat blocks. It is same when it comes to funds for public works. Here's a record. Year 2011-12, Pedne block 7.25 crore. 2011-2012, Bicholi block 6.29 crore. 2011-2012, other block 60 lakh. Actually, Bardes is the biggest block with 33 panchayats. Then is Salsett with 30, Pedne with 20, Tiswadi and Ponda 19, and other blocks with 10 to 12 panchayats. This is the second consecutive assembly tenure when the panchayat minister is from Pedne block. It will take couple of years more to get clear picture of new minister's performance. However, government's record clearly indicates that panchayats from panchayat minister's constituency rarely feel the pinch of fund crunch. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Anjuna police arrested one Keralite and a Goan involved in various crimes. They are booked in cases like motorbike theft and housebreaking theft. 3 motorbikes have been attached. Duo has been remanded for 3 days police custody.
Shrijesh Nair, age 21, native of Kerala, and Rakshak Pednekar, age 19, from Panji, are in Anjuna police custody. They have been booked for housebreaking theft and motorbikes theft. Police are probing the case to trace their links in the similar cases in other areas.
Both these accused persons were arrested on 26th in the morning and they were placed under arrest under section 41. During interrogation, they confessed to have committed theft of 3 motorcycles, which were recovered at their instance. From one was recovered from Bali, and one motorcycle were attached from them. They were riding it, and others, one Splendor motorcycle was hidden in the bushes in Asagaon. Now they are arrested in one more crime of motorcycle theft. Interrogation is on. They are suspected to be involved in many other HBTs, housebreaking thefts.
Shyam Sundar Fatte from Anjuna for Prudent.
A parliamentary panel has sought to know the law under which the Election Commission has issued guidelines to regulate the use of social media in campaigning ahead of the year-end assembly polls. Chairperson of the Standing Committee, Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik, says it is essential that the Commission should quote the law at every stage.
I talked to the Deputy Election Commissioner, told him that whatever instructions that you issue, please quote the law under which such instructions are issued. Because election to 5 states were announced by the Commission some time back, and you are issuing instructions now. Perhaps after some days you will be issuing more instructions. This creates problems for political parties and the candidates. They are taken by surprise. Secondly, contents of your instructions are a substantive law which only Parliament can enact, or Government of India can frame rules in this regard in consultation with Election Commission. Election Commission powers are very limited only to the extent of supervising elections and preparation of electoral rules. The instructions that you are issuing are of nature of substantive law, and therefore I don't think they come within the jurisdiction of Election Commission.
The Election Commission on Saturday brought campaigning on social media within the ambit of Model Code of Conduct. Under the guidelines, parties and candidates should furnish details of Facebook, Twitter, YouTube accounts used for campaigning to the poll panel. Details should be furnished along with statement of expenses incurred, and all political advertisement posted on such sites would have to be vetted by the Commission. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.